Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got an unboxing for the bargain bead box of January 2026. Welcome to the new year, everybody. I have a coupon code for bargain bead box, BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. These monthly boxes are $24.99 a month, and they're valued at least at $60. Some of them up to $80, $85. So it's a really great deal, and every month they give you a little collage collection of beads that findings they put together. Lauren does a great job. So let's see. Arctic Aurora. It says this month's palette is inspired by the beauty of the northern lights, the shifting colors of abalone mixed with plated druzy agate, blue apatite, and lots of sparkling crystal and glass accents. We love the little snow quartz polar bears, silver finished findings, including beautiful stainless steel pendants and star-spangled chain, complete the collection. Okay, and this is, oh wow. So this has 22 pieces in it, and it's retail valued at $97.28. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Put this aside. And let's see what goodies they sent us this month. Okay. Oh, cool. Stainless steel moonlit forest charms. Those are my pretty. Oh. Stainless steel mountain scene pendant. Very cool. Oh, these are so pretty, these beads. Let me send them to us. Some really pretty. Oh, I like the stars. Oh, this is a really pretty box. Okay, let me get it set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting out number one, abalone shell assembled fancy oval pendant. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. This is really pretty. Ooh, I think this lighting is good in here. I changed it up a little bit before I started filming. That is really pretty. Definitely going to be making a cool necklace with this. Okay. And number two is a 27 by 23 millimeter stainless steel hypoallergenic mountain scene pendant. Oh, this is cool. Oh, that's right. I watched Lauren. She did just like a little unboxing. Just shows a few of the things coming. That's really cool. Oh, look at that. That's really cool. And then there's the back of it. Okay. And she said they were starting to use more stainless steel stuff so that it doesn't rust. You know, when you get silver and it gets rusty after a little bit, so they're doing stainless steel with a lot of the stuff too, which I think is good. So number three is 15-inch strand of 8 millimeter plated druzy agate beads in green iris. Oh, wow, this is a nice strand here. And look at that. I love when you get that little nook like right in there. It's so cool. To make a pretty little bracelet, double bracelet. And see, you get those little pieces. Very pretty. Okay. And number four is 7 inches of 8 millimeter Malaysia jade dyed quartz English cut beads in capri blue. Oh, these are pretty. These are really pretty. Look at that sparkle there. So pretty. We just got a new dog today. We just rescued a Westie. I'm so excited. I will share her with you guys eventually. I'll take a video of her and show her in one of my future videos. We just got her like 6 hours ago. I told my husband, I said, I have to go do this unboxing. So he's sitting with her right now. They're watching football. Okay, number 5 is 7-inch strand of 3mm blue apatite faceted round beads. But she's so cute. I lost my Westie 3 years ago and I was heartbroken, so I was so excited to have a little baby in the house, and she's so sweet. Okay, let's get back to beads here. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, so pretty. Okay, and number 6 is a 7.5-inch strand of 6mm, not 8mm, synthetic moonstone glass beads. Yeah, there was a problem where they had put down that they were having 8mm, and then they had to say that they were 6mm. Look at how pretty those are. Ooh, so pretty. Synthetic moonstone. Okay. And number 7 is a 10-inch strand of 5.5mm English cut crystal beads in indigo AB. Oh, yes. Oh, hello. Can we see sparkle? Wow. These are pretty. Wow. It's like New Year's Eve over here. Very pretty. And number 8 is 7.5-inch strand of 15 by 12mm glass Baroque beads in vitrol. Very pretty. Oh, love these. Look at these beads, how pretty they are. Oh. Got some beautiful beads this month. This is such a great deal. I mean, this is like, okay, number 9 is 14-inch strand of 4mm crystal triangle beads in light violet AB. Oh, I love these triangle beads they give us. I don't know if you can see that, but the way they're cut in the triangle, it's even more of a faceted. It gives them even more of a faceting than, look at that. Wow, so beautiful. Okay, and number 10 is 12 pieces of 10 by 9mm star cut faceted round crystal beads in slate vitrol. Oh, yeah, okay, let me put a few of these on. Most of these have been in strands, so I haven't really been able to. You can see, look at these. Oh, look how gorgeous these are. These are really pretty. Very pretty. Okay, and 11 is 7.5-inch strand of 8mm crystal faceted coin beads in indigo iris. Boy, the sparkle is on this month. Wow. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow. Love that finish on them. Okay, and number 12 is 6 pieces of 10mm rhinestone round beads in teal sparkle. Whoa. These are so sparkly they make your eyes water. There's just a couple of them. Wow. They're pretty. These are really cool. Okay, and number 13 is 20 pieces of 8mm patterned glass beads in blue-green iris. Oh, these are pretty. Put a few on here. a few of them and see how they look. Okay. Oh. Okay. And number 14. Oh, these were cute. I saw this in the preview. 2 pieces of 12 by 18 millimeter snow quartz polar bear beads. Look at these little babies. Oh, are they cute? I think they're the same on both sides. And the hole goes through like that. Look how cute they are. Polar bears are so cute. I know they would rip you to shreds if they got a hold of you, but we can look from a distance on the TV and adore them. Okay, and number 15 is 21 pieces of 15 millimeter cut glass crystal teardrops and vitriol. Oh, these are pretty. Boy, they are on with the sparkle today. That's the other side, the back side. Wow, they're definitely on with the sparkle today. Okay. And number 16 is 50 pieces of 4 millimeter brass stardust spacer beads. Wow. Pretty. These make nice little spacer beads. Okay. Number 17, these are kind of cool. 12 grams or 10 grams of 5 millimeter star spacer beads. Oh, okay. Let me get a couple on here. I don't know if you can see that. Those are they're thicker. They're like a spacer bead. They're not like a bead cap. They're a spacer bead, so you can see that star space. These are really cool. I don't know if I've ever gotten anything like this from them before. Very different. Okay, and number 18 is 2 pieces of 23 by 20 millimeter stainless steel hypoallergenic moonlit forest charm. Oh, very pretty. That's the back, and then that's the front. Oh, how cute. Okay. Oh, and number 19 is 2 pieces of 29 millimeter twinkling star charms. I was like, oh, I got more than 2, but it's, look at that. That's really cool. And then that's the other side. Very pretty. And number 20 is 2 pieces of 14 by 19 millimeter North Star links. Okay, so these have, you can see they have the holes on both sides. And that's them. Pretty. These would be cool for like a pair of dangle earrings. Okay, and then number 21 is 2 pieces of brass magnetic clasps with stainless steel charms. $3.99. Okay, so yeah. So you pull that apart, and then this is pretty. So you would use this on the edge of your necklace or bracelet or whatever. So you have that. Very pretty. And last but not least, 6 millimeter stainless steel hypoallergenic star chain, 18 inches. Oh, this is really pretty. Let me see if I can kind of put it across my arm just so you can kind of see it. Oh, this is really pretty. And you can like open up that jump ring there and use like 3 of them, or you know, you can do a lot with this chain. So this is Arctic Aurora collection. What beautiful beads and findings. I'm really excited to work with this. Like I said, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. And I will leave a link below in the description to the bargain bead box, as well as the coupon code and links to all of my social media if you'd like to follow me. And I sell all of my jewelry on Etsy. My store is there as well. So please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. It really helps with my algorithms. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.